Hey everyone, this is Praveen, and today let us discuss about some Excel add-in tools which is very useful during in our audit life. So first we have to follow that. First you need to go to File and go to Options, select Add-ins, press Go to, and browse this add-in files. So just select the Sompali tools, then press OK. It is already saying this, so you just click that button and just said okay. So you'll get an Sompali tools here we can test one by one neatly. So we are confused in our INR format in multiple ways, so you just select that select this and select this one. This is an auto format where fit columns and all will start very good. Okay, so let's say now we will test about INR format. Now just select this and select this. So INR format will come 1, 000000 50 000000. Now if you just go to that lakhs format, you just select this lakhs. Okay, so 0.13 lakhs, 1 lakh, 5 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 1000 lakhs. If you want to test the crores, you just select this crores. That's all. So from it is easily you can convert from here to this. Now convert the values. Sometimes the value consists while you're preparing balance sheet and P&L, you have different issues, right? Whether you want to convert into lakhs and crores. For that I have another formula. Just if you want to convert this into lakhs, just select this and that's all. So 250 lakhs, 85 lakhs, 32 lakhs. So small amount would be skipped, it won't be done anything. Suppose let's say if you want to convert this crores, so just select this. So all the numbers would be converted into the crores. Suppose let's say if you want to convert into millions, just select this. So all the numbers would be converted into the millions. So hope this is helpful for you. Next we'll go into the text cleaning part. Suppose let's say you want to remove the numbers and keep the text, so just select this and select this. So all the numbers would be removed from the selected area. Suppose let's say if you want to remove the text and keep the numbers, so select this and select all this. So all the text will be removed and only numbers would be stayed. Suppose let's say you want to keep numbers and text, but you want to remove the special characteristics, that is just select this, specials, remove characters, and select this. That's okay. That's all. So now suppose let's say when we are exporting the data, there is some line break items. Okay, to remove line break items, what we are doing, you just pressing backspace. Even though for 1000 we have needed to spend 1000 times backspace. So for this I just selected this and this, so automatically the backspace will be gone. Okay, hope this is helpful for you as well. Now sometimes we got confused in the selected area what is highlighted. I mean, I would like to know that what is the bold items. For that you're going into different way. So for easily just select the specific area which you want to see the bold items. Select the bold items. Okay, I'm just selecting to the extent of this area, so it will highlight only the content. It consists bold, so only the cells with bold fill will receive an yellow background fill, so it would be easy for you to detect to perform or validate anything. So next we'll go to the search sheets, where suppose let's say you want to search an index sheet. Okay, suppose in 6 index, so just search the sheet. Okay, so I didn't type full name also. See, it's clearly, yeah, the sheet name is available, total match this one. So just go to the sheet. Yeah, it's beautiful, right? Now after search button we'll go for index. See, there's a multiple sheets in the Excel. I'm very headache to where I would like to convert, so you just press that create index. So all the sheets will contain index for book index, where you just check that formats whether it is coming or not. Suppose let's say search function is coming or not, and EDF sheets is coming or not. That's all. So now we'd like to convert that rupee into the format, so just type that rupee format, then select this. So it will come as a rupees 12,500 only. Now just select this rupee format, so rupees 1 lakh only. So you suppose let's say you want to convert this into the rupee format, just select the rupee format. Yeah, so everything will come 1 lakh, 25 lakhs. So I think it would be save a lot of time for you. So how to convert this? So next, yeah, that's all. So hope this is like if you want to unhide all the sheets, whichever it is hidden, just press that unhide sheets. So it now all the sheets is visible, so you don't need to press by one sheet which one is hidden, and another one is which one is not hidden. All sheets. Okay, find hidden sheets. Yeah, one hidden sheet is there. So yeah, see this, so this one is hidden. So now all sheets are in. This video is like useful for you. That link was provided in the below section, so you can download the link. Thank you.